let's see. I'm just trying to get this glue off of here so I can get this board off of here, and I'm going to try and figure out. Bent my tweezer tips again. I need to figure out why if I just put my hand like this, it shuts the whole mic down. So more than likely this wire that's up here has a break in it, because that's all this is just a simple wire. And if that's the case, then I can just get a longer wire. And this stuff is like rock hard. Which, I mean, it's supposed to keep this thing from spinning, so I guess it should be, right? It's the hand. It's my hand interrupting the signal, which, like, it definitely should not be able to do. So, like, here, let me put this somewhat back together. I'm going to modify this thing. That's in there. Power it on. And I have a receiver up here on top of the camera. And if I do this, like just cupping my hand around it, not even like making contact, if I just do that, the secondary mic, I can watch it turn itself on and off. So, like, I need to figure out either, like I said, there's a break in the cable, or I'm just going to replace this outright. You got to be careful. These wires that are attached to the bottom of this are like so thin. Yes, it is the demons in my hand. I wouldn't put it past them. Break the rest of this. Come on. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. Well, that's not good. Well, after all that, I'm not going to be able to get this out. Because to get this out, I would need to desolder all three of these wires. Oh boy. Alright, glue it back in. Not going to glue it though. Even though I just said glue it back in. I'm just going to do that. Oh, how do we get you out? Yeah, I don't like how they did this. I mean, it's literally going like a foot. And it's like almost impossible for it to maintain solid audio contact. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe use a green wire. So the question is if this is like solid core or copper core. It is neither. Let me see here. Let's see what this is. So what would be best would be just like, so this is copper. The thing with copper, it's softer, but it's also like less resilient. That's something I have to keep in mind. Maybe I'll try using this for now and then this later. And what I'm thinking, like, I honestly don't care if it gets bent where it comes out here, because I think that's part of the problem that I'm having now. Is that because of the way they did this, they kinked it. Like I said, I just want to see if this will end up being just a little bit better. I have to shorten this up a whole bunch though. So if I really wanted to get fancy with this, what I would do is I would print something that would sit on top of this or behind this that would just continually like wrap this like into like an actual coil that just sits on top that doesn't really take up any room. Someone was asking me about my these yesterday. This is why I have this. Sometimes you need more than a helping hand. Here we go, doing irreversible damage. We'll see what happens when you have a nice... Yeah, hopefully we have a nice, nice long antenna now. And me just putting my hand gently in front of it won't like cut it out. Look at that. Covering it up. Like it takes a lot to get it to shut off now. Looks weird. It's only weird if it doesn't work, right? Yeah, it looks like I did, Emily. I can start using this thing again. The reason I haven't been using it is because, like, it's, it would cut out while I was talking. So I'm willing to bet if I cut that open, there's a break in that cable. Got a big green antenna now. Let's see if this is... see if this is any better now. So, turn that on. Yeah, because I can now completely cover this, and it still says it's... Alright, let's see. Desktop lab. Test. Look at that. That is still working. So, I think that's... this little dinky antenna was our problem. Now, hopefully I sound okay. Yeah, it should be a lot, I should sound just a lot closer. I do need to mess with some of the levels. I had spent a bunch of time working on this. Yeah, it will be. It will be quieter generally because I have a gain booster on this microphone. But I had spent a bit of time working on getting this, like I don't like this headset that this thing came with. So what I want to do is somehow attach this to these, which I put on every day. But what I was thinking about doing is 3D printing something that I could attach kind of like that, because then it just becomes like it's all one thing. That, and this not designed for my tiny head like at all. Because this I could just attach this to this, and then I can adjust where I wear this. Well, because like that would be good if I could just attach it to this. I feel like that's far enough out in front of my face, and then I would just have to, like, yeah, adjust it down. Yeah, I've never been a fan of this. I guess that's the next step. Let's see how this one came out. See how the angle is. That's pretty good. I think that's it. Yeah, that's right in front of my mouth. So that holds in there pretty good. I can probably just put a piece of tape right over that and just hold that in place. And then I'm going to take a piece of foam tape. We're going to cut it down. And put it on the inside here. And then we will attach. All right, let's give this a shot. We got ourselves a nice long antenna too. So let's switch these. And we need to do some gain changing. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.